A toast to your ticker. All right, folks, let's talk about the beat that keeps us going. Our hearts. We all know a healthy heart is key to a happy life, right? But sometimes, healthy living can feel like a chore. Not today. Today, we're going on a delicious adventure, exploring the world of smoothies that are not just good for your heart, but also taste blooming fantastic. We're talking vibrant flavors, exciting ingredients, and the kind of enjoyment that makes you crave a healthy lifestyle. Ready to whip up some magic in the blender? Let's get this smoothie party started. Very good news for your heart. First up, we've got the Heart Healthy Berry Smoothie. This bad boy is packed with antioxidants from delicious berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Think of antioxidants as tiny ninjas fighting off those nasty free radicals that can damage your heart. Next, we're adding some oats for fiber. It's like a scrub brush for your arteries, keeping things nice and clean. A splash of almond milk adds a creamy texture and a good dose of healthy fats. And for the winning touch, a scoop of the Healthy Heart Support Plus supplement. This little gem is like giving your heart a warm hug, supporting healthy cholesterol levels and keeping things running smoothly. Green means go for your heart and mind. So don't worry, we haven't forgotten about our green friends. The Brain and Heart Power Smoothie is here to energize your day and sharpen your mind. We're blending a handful of leafy greens like spinach or kale. Don't pull a face, you won't even taste them. They're packed with vitamins and minerals that are like a power boost for your circulatory system. Next, we're adding some avocado for healthy fats and a creamy texture. Avocado is like the good kind of butter. It makes everything better. A splash of green tea adds a refreshing touch and a dose of antioxidants. The secret weapon in this smoothie is the Cognicare Pro supplement. This brain-boosting blend is like a morning coffee for your mind and helps keep your heart healthy too. Fire up your metabolism. Now let's turn up the heat with the Metabolic Boost Smoothie. This tropical delight is like a mini vacation for your taste buds, but it also packs a powerful punch when it comes to boosting your metabolism. We all know a healthy metabolism is key to maintaining a healthy weight, which in turn is great for your heart. This smoothie gets its kick from the T-Burn supplement. Think of it like a friendly fire, gently stoking your metabolism and helping your body burn calories more efficiently. Java up your day, fuel your heart. Calling all coffee lovers, this one's for you. The Java Burn Mocha Smoothie combines your love for coffee with the goodness of a heart-healthy treat. We're starting with a base of your favorite unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk. Then comes the star of the show, a scoop of Java Burn. This supplement is like a turbocharger for your metabolism, turning your morning coffee into a fat-burning powerhouse. Add in some ice, a dash of cocoa powder, and a touch of natural sweetener if you like, and blend until smooth and frothy. Tropical treat for a healthy beat. Last but not least, we have the Alpalean Tropical Smoothie. This exotic blend will transport you straight to a sunny beach with its vibrant flavors and refreshing taste. But don't be fooled by its deliciousness. This smoothie is a powerhouse of nutrients that support metabolic health. The secret ingredient here is Alpalean, a supplement that helps promote healthy blood sugar levels and supports a healthy heart. Cheers to a happy, healthy heart! So there you have it, folks! 5 delicious and easy smoothie recipes that are not only good for your heart, but also a treat for your taste buds. Remember, a healthy heart starts with a healthy lifestyle. Get creative in the kitchen, experiment with different flavors, and most importantly, have fun. Cheers to a happy, healthy heart.